Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these Valentine nails with a glitter heart. I mean, we could even have like all three of these, really. Like, have these. Because they go together.
They do. Yeah, totally, because this has both of those colors.
Yeah, so it matches them. Okay, so I'm thinking we probably don't need any of these glitters.
What?
Well, especially those don't go.
Yeah, those don't. But I really just like glitter.
We really like glitter. Well, like, these go together.
Yeah,
but
those don't.
Yeah, and we want these.
And like,
That one kind of goes. Okay.
So what are we thinking for design? Should we pull up?
Throw your phone.
I know.
And I do have, these are like kind of like iridescent.
Those are pretty too.
So I could throw these in with whatever like glitter we do this way. Does that make sense?
Kind of, yeah. Alright, let's pull up some ideas. Maybe we should stick with just the baby pink, not use this one, and use this for some glitter, or this, I don't know. Like, how would you do the order of it? Like, what would the 5
Well, it depends
be?
what else do we want? Do we want...
So we'll put some rhinestones on, probably.
Great,
Yeah.
because I got some new ones.
I speak your love language, I know.
Yes.
So, like, some rhinestones on, you know, like either this one or like this one or whatever.
Well, and so do we still want, like, hearts or something?
Maybe, maybe not. Maybe the rhinestones and the glitter will be, like, just enough.
Well, I feel like one of them should have a heart.
Okay. Do you have a stamp for it, or would you want to just paint it on?
Depends what we want to do. Like, do you want, like, a glitter heart like
that's
that?
Kind of cool.
That would be pretty.
I think that's really pretty. How would that work, though? You just get your paintbrush and, like, do this?
Yeah, I would draw it on.
Okay.
And so I don't know if you want, like, what background do you want? The dark or the light pink under the heart?
The light? The dark? I don't know. What are you thinking? You usually have a better idea of, like, what actually looks good together.
Let me look at this one again.
I feel like it's these two.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I might try to put like one of these hearts in the very center of like the big heart.
Cool.
We'll see how that goes. And then
I don't think we'll need stamps then.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so what do you want the order to be then?
So what if we do, I'm recording this too.
Yeah.
So if we do these two,
Okay.
the bright pink.
Got it.
These, the thumb, and then these two will be the light pink.
Light pink. Okay.
So this one can have the heart on it.
Okay.
And then we can do the glitter. We could do a glitter fade
Yes,
on the
I would
thumb
like
for
that.
sure. And then maybe this
The
one, and then
rhinestones.
rhinestones on these ones.
Oh, okay, cool. Do you think that's a lot going on?
We'll see. Let me get like the base colors down.
I don't know if I can picture this yet.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, we have time. Yeah.
Yes. Well, once I get like the two base colors down, then I
picture
can,
it.
and then the heart for sure we know we want. So we'll get that heart down after the base colors, and then
we'll kind of
go from there.
We'll assess the situation.
We'll assess the situation.
Great.
Let me know if you guys like me adding in little bits of how we end up designing the nails, and I can put them in future videos as well. So this first color we decided to use is Madame Glam's Angel Wings, and we're going to put this on her thumb, her middle finger, and her ring finger. So Angel Wings is this pretty light pink. It's not quite a baby pink because I do have one from Madame Glam that is a baby pink, but this one is a pretty light pink, and it goes perfectly with that new Light Elegance color Bouquet Day. And in case anyone is wondering about the nails I am wearing, I do have a video up on them. It's 3D sweater nails, and I will leave a link in the description box down below if you want to see me do my nails. So the next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's heart-shaped box. This is a brighter, hotter pink, and we're going to put this one on her pinky and her pointer finger. And this color came in Light Elegance's 20th anniversary Valentine Duo collection, along with Bouquet Day. So once I got those base colors down, I am going to go ahead and go in and do a second coat of all of the colors. So now we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Bouquet Day. This is the second color that was in that Valentine's Duo, and this glitter is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's got different shades of pinks and reds and different sizes of glitter. It's very chunky and pretty. So we're going to go in and I'm going to draw out a glitter heart with this. This glitter is very chunky and it is a little hard to apply. So you just gotta be careful and patient while working with this glitter. So I got the hearts on with the glitter on the ring fingers, and I thought they still needed a little pop, so I went back in with heart-shaped box, that bright pink that we used, and I just went around the heart and outlined it, and this made the heart stand out so much better. So now I'm going in on the middle finger and the thumb, and I'm creating a glitter fade with Bouquet Day. So now that we got all the glitter down, I'm going to go in and add some Swarovski crystals. I'm going to be using Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm as my crystal glue. And then the two colors of Swarovski crystals I'm going to be using is Crystal AB on the left, and then on the right we have Light Rose AB. So I'm just using a dotting tool to apply some of that Stay Put jelly, and then I go in with my crystal katana and I'm putting the Light Rose AB in the middle, and then I'm putting a crystal AB on either side, just a little bit smaller, just kind of cap them in. And we were going to do crystals on both her pointer and her pinky finger, but I decided to do just her pointer finger and to leave the pinky finger plain. So now we're going to go in with top coat, and I am going to be using the Young Nails Finish Gel. And here I'm just going in with that top coat and a detailer brush, and I'm just surrounding the Swarovski crystals to seal them in. And so here are the final results. So these nails are very pink, but they're super cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned. There will be another Valentine's Day video coming out this week. And so we'll see you guys next time. Bye!